this is Ricardo Francis, the Venting Vigilante. It's good to be with you again today. Today we're going to talk about opinions and facts, or facts and opinions. In popular culture, a lot of people confuse these things, quite frankly speaking. A lot of people have lots of opinions without any facts or any evidence to substantiate it. In fact, it is absolutely a very destructive way of dealing with people when it comes to these issues, because they're very subjective, they're very emotional, they don't look at things from an objective perspective. But anyway, opinions. Opinions as a word has been around between 1250 to 1350 as it is used today. We have public opinion, we have personal opinion, we have polling opinion, we have got consumer opinions, we have got all kinds of opinions. Opinions galore. Everybody has got an opinion. Well, opinions are about feelings. It's about, what you think of an issue without necessarily having any evidence to substantiate it. Facts, on the other hand, can be a truth. Of course, a fact can be proven or not proven. So that is why it is a fact. It is something that can be proven with documentation, with evidence. It's concrete. There is a historical data to demonstrate why it is a fact and why it continues to be a fact. So we need to get our heads around these things when we make statements. I mean, generally speaking, even the media, the mass media, the social media, newspapers, they make some statements sometimes that makes you wonder. Really, how is it a fact? That's an opinion. But they will want to tell you that their opinion is a fact. Some people will argue that some opinions can be factual because it is an opinion, so therefore they have the evidence to prove it, so it is a fact. But in the classical and conventional sense, a fact is something that can be proven either to be a fact and not a fact. So, then of course you have issues in terms of legal opinions, where based upon the substance of the case and based upon the evidence, then a judge and or a legal personnel may give you an opinion. The same thing in business. An accountant may give you an accounting opinion based upon the numbers. So friends, it is important and necessary that we come to understand that when we make a lot of statements, we should always qualify to say, it is my opinion because of A reason, B reason, C reason, D reason, E reason. It is a fact because this happened at so-and-so date. And this is where I got my information from, or I got my information from this source or that source. Because you should be able to prove it. It's just like in Canada as an example. Quite often I get into the debate in terms of immigration. Immigration, to me, the gates were opened by Diefenbaker. But many people tell you it's Trudeau. It's not Trudeau, it's good old John Diefenbaker. Of course, that would have been after the Bill of Rights in 1962. But I use that as an example to properly demonstrate to you that the mass media will make you believe that it is in fact liberal policy, but it's not. Friends, I love sharing these moments with you. I love you. See you next time.